Approaching your compost heap and smelling something sour or rotten can feel like failure, but it's not. That unpleasant odour is your compost's way of telling you something's out of balance. The smell signals anaerobic decomposition, which happens when there's not enough air in the pile. Aerobic bacteria, those that need oxygen, break down waste cleanly, but when air runs out, anaerobic microbes take over and produce foul-smelling gases. Your compost isn't ruined, it just needs a little help. Think of the smell as a symptom, not a disaster. Our job as gardeners is to diagnose and fix the imbalance, not to give up. Usually the problem is too much moisture and not enough structure, leading to a lack of air. By restoring balance, you can turn that smelly mess back into rich, earthy compost. Nature isn't failing, it's just reacting to the conditions we provide. Listen to your compost, adjust what it needs, and you'll be rewarded. The solution is often simple: more air, more structure, and a little patience. Composting is all about balance. The main reason compost goes bad is an imbalance between greens, wet, nitrogen-rich materials like grass clippings and kitchen scraps, and browns, dry, carbon-rich materials like leaves, straw and cardboard. Too many greens create a dense, soggy mat that blocks airflow, while not enough browns means there's no structure to keep things open. Without air, anaerobic bacteria take over, causing that sour smell. The bin's design can also contribute. Poor ventilation or a waterlogged location makes things worse. But most problems come from what we add. The good news? This is easy to fix with the right balance of ingredients. To revive a smelly compost heap, you need to add air and plenty of browns. Gather dry leaves, shredded cardboard or newspaper. These are your best tools. Use a garden fork to break open the heap and spread it out. As you rebuild, mix every forkful of wet, compacted compost with at least an equal amount of dry browns. Fluff and mix as you go, aiming for a texture like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not soggy. The browns absorb excess moisture and create air pockets, letting good microbes thrive. Don't worry about the smell. It will fade quickly as you work. Rebuild the pile, alternating layers of greens and browns. This process resets the system, giving aerobic bacteria the conditions they need. You're not drying it out, just restoring balance. The result? A healthy, sweet-smelling compost heap. Remember, the key is structure and air. With this carbon cure, your compost will bounce back fast. After reviving your heap, the first sign of success is the smell. Earthy, not sour. Within days, you'll notice the pile warming up as microbes get to work. A hot compost heap means decomposition is back on track. The texture will become fluffier and the pile will shrink as materials break down. This transformation is quick and rewarding, a testament to nature's resilience. For best results, shape your heap tall and upright, at least 1 metre high and wide. This chimney effect draws in fresh air and keeps the pile healthy. Maintain this structure for ongoing success. Watch for heat, smell and shrinkage. These are your signs of a thriving compost. With a little care, your compost will recover and thrive. The secret to healthy compost is simple. Every time you add greens, add an equal amount of browns. Keep a stash of dry materials, leaves, cardboard, straw, next to your bin for easy access. Layer wet and dry materials to maintain airflow and balance. Think of your compost as a living ecosystem that needs both air and a balanced diet. Problems are just messages from your compost, not failures. Learn to observe and respond, and you'll become a better gardener. A healthy compost heap is the heart of your garden. Nurture it, and it will reward you with rich, fertile soil.